Can you wash the cover on a Tempur-Pedic mattress? If you're wondering whether you can wash the cover on your Tempur-Pedic mattress, you're not alone. Maintaining your mattress is crucial for both hygiene and comfort, so let's break down the steps and guidelines. First, the good news is that most Tempur-Pedic mattress covers are indeed washable. However, it's essential to follow the specific care instructions to avoid damaging the cover or the mattress itself. To start, you need to remove the cover from the mattress. Most Tempur-Pedic covers have a zipper that makes this process easy. Once removed, check the care label on the cover for any specific washing instructions, as different models might have slightly different requirements. When washing the cover, use cold water and a gentle cycle on your washing machine. It's important to use a mild detergent that's free from harsh chemicals, bleach, or fabric softeners. These strong chemicals can damage the fabric or affect its protective qualities. After washing, it's best to air dry the cover or use a low heat setting on your dryer. High heat can damage the fibers of the cover, causing it to shrink or lose its softness. For drying, air drying is the recommended method to preserve the fabric's quality. If you do use a dryer, make sure to set it to a low heat setting and remove the cover as soon as the cycle is complete to prevent wrinkling. If you encounter any stains, you can spot clean the cover using a mild detergent and water solution. Gently blot the area without soaking the cover, and for tougher stains, you can use a mild enzyme-based cleaner. It's also important to note that you should never wash or soak the Tempur material, memory foam, inside the mattress. Water can degrade this material, causing it to lose its supportive qualities. To keep your mattress cover clean and fresh, it's recommended to wash it every 1 to 3 months if you don't use a mattress protector. If you do use a protector, washing the cover 2 to 4 times per year is sufficient. Using a mattress protector can provide an additional layer of protection against spills and allergens, making cleaning easier and less frequent. In summary, washing the cover of your Tempur-Pedic mattress is a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Always use cold water, a gentle cycle, and mild detergent, and avoid high heat and harsh chemicals to keep your mattress cover in great condition.